Yeah, we're
Boys,
going
get
down.
under the table.
Dude,
going
this
down.
is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, this is crazy.
Oh my god,
Holy
everything's
crap.
shaking in my.
What do we do? This is insane.
know.
Oh shoot.
Holy shit.
Dude.
This is insane.
Dude, that's huge. I'm feeling it in
Still
Vegas.
going.
It's still
Still
going.
going.
It's still going.
What do we do?
Play through it.
What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
Get
Play
under the
through it.
table, boys.
Play through.
Become the frame.
We need this ranked.
Dude, my monitor's jiggling.
Mother.
Is there another earthquake, dude? Yeah, there's an earthquake right now, chat. What the fuck?
Glad I slept through it though, because I would have freaked out again. I don't want to freak out. Oh fuck, there's actually an earthquake happening. I'm not joking, I'm not joking, I'm not joking. Oh, I'm so scared, guys, I'm so scared. I'm gonna cry, guys.
Wait, there's an earthquake going on right now!
I just felt it.
Oh!
Okay, no speak. Holy shit.
Wait!
Wait, I don't feel an earthquake at all. Wait, I do.
Wait,
Oh
what
my
the fuck?
fucking. Wait, my chair is fucking vibrating, bro.
Yeah, I know, I'm fucking shaking!
Holy shit.
Wait,
Holy fuck.
wait, this is big!
Bro. Wait.
Wait, hold up.
Wait, pause the game. What? Wait, what the fuck?
What the?
Bro, my house is shaking.
Dude, my shit is shaking right now.
Dead eyes, bro. Wait, my desk is. Wait, push them. We have the advantage. Push them. Holy shit!
Imagine it! Bro, someone help?
You feel the shit? Holy fuck! I got you. Go. Kill him.
Earthquake is our distraction.
Use the earthquake.
Oh, what the fuck?
Let's fucking go.
What the fuck?
Dude, we used the earthquake as a distraction.
Bro, there was a fucking
Wait, it's still
earthquake!
going. Wait, it's still.
Last time you left, I missed your stream and pro games.
Oh, it's
When you go
earthquake.
to Korea, will you still stream?
Wait.
Do you have any teams interested in you in Korea? We all love you, kind boy.
Oh, it's my second time experiencing earthquake. Wait, my house is 6th floor, but I need to accept the queue. I don't want to lose my LP. Oh shit, maybe I shouldn't accept it. Maybe I should run away, actually. It's not a joke. Oh, it's actually shaking so hard. Wait. Oh, look at my cam. Wait, it's actually serious. Goodbye, guys. Wait.
Wait,
So, how do I deal with the earthquake? Please, any advice?
Motherfucker wiggling. What? Wee! Oh, that motherfucker going fast. Oh, whoa, slow down. Whoa. Oh, this motherfucker moving. Whoa. Whoa. Earthquake at the moment. That